I turned a tiny $200 to over $25,000 trading MEME token with the Statistical Arbitrage Trading Bot. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to the same system, which will definitely help you to gain the same result in the next 24 hours. And before we can proceed, let's go to our Bybit to check all the trade history and how it was able to come up with this massive result within 24 hours. Coming to my Bybit here, you're going to notice these are all the close positions. It closed out for the past 24 hours. Looking at this point here, you're going to see details of close orders, right? And let's check the first order. If you pay attention to the first order here, you're going to notice it's closed out on a loss of $85, and the second order was on loss of $34, and then the third result, boom, coming out with $2,014, and the fourth one coming out with $1,855. The third one coming out with $2,200, $1,400, $1,080, $1,900, $1,239, and the same amount, $1,390 again. You can pay attention to this. Win, 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 win at this point. Win again, right? It win again, and then we only have two losses. Result on a total returns of $25,814 within 24 hours of trading. Coming to this point, you're going to notice it only opened just 15 positions, and the win rate is over 99% accurate. Over 99% accurate. Let's move up again, and these are all the top trading pair. These are all the top pair is trading. These are all the top pair, and the amount it make on each pair: $2,900, $2,400, $2,013, $2,000, $1,000. Imagine these, and these are all the trade volume, right? Resulting on $25,800. This is how I was able to make myself over $25,000 in one trading day, trading MEME token with a common $200 account. The best part of this, as low as $10 on your account, you can get started on this and make money. If you're interested to get access to these, to set it up, kindly check the video description. You're going to see a link that will take you to join our Telegram channel. After joining, kindly reach out to us on WhatsApp. Let's get you connected and show you how to set it up. Let's make more money together. Imagine making this in a day. How much do you think we're going to make in the next 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5 months to come? We cannot miss out on this amazing opportunity. MEME token is one of the best way to make huge amount of money in the crypto market currently, mostly this bull run period. So we can't miss out on this. Reach out to us right now. Let's make some money together.